Hello everyone, this is Preeti from Dash team and I'm giving a demo of fetching data from an external API and directly storing it in the bucket. So I have done this using Fast API and also inside the code will create the folders like structured, unstructured, and semi-structured inside the bucket automatically and even inside these folders, there will be folders called tabular folder inside the structured and images, audio, video, and inside the unstructured and text JSON PDF inside the semi-structured folders. Inside inside images folder like images with formats like JPG, PNGs will be stored here, and also I have connected this to the bucket, and here is the type. It will use MIME type to find the type of data so that it can push it into the respective folder. And also the metadata will be stored about the file with the data. Even the data's metadata will be stored in JSON format, and it will have the type of the data being stored, timestamp when it is stored, file name, and what kind of data it is. It is semi-structured, structured, or what. I mean, it's a URL, like it will store the path of the data. Okay, so I'll run this for you guys. This is the code. So first of all, to run this code, I need to set the credentials, Google credentials, because it cannot directly connect to the GCP. So to connect this code to the GCP account, I'll use set Google application credentials is equals to the path of the JSON file provided by IAS team. After setting that, I'll use Ubicon data ingestion pipeline app reload. Here reload is being used so that even if I do any new changes inside this code, it will automatically read it. Now I'll click on this. It will open and it has opened this window. Here we go here, we'll say details not found, and if here I need to use this endpoint docs where I can find all the so thing. There's some issue. We yeah we have got. So here I had used four methods, like first manually uploading the data, fetching through an link like an API, like directly fetching data from an API without using any API key. This will be fetched to fetch API and fetch FTP. For example, if somebody is logging in and logging out, these details can be fetched through this FTP. It requires a server. Fetch Pexels. This is specific, like Pexels is a website through which currently I'm fetching registrants data, and I have generated the API key from my own site, and later on I'll use external API gateway. So now I'll use this fetch Pexels here inside query. So I'll try it out, and here inside query I'll write I need pedestrians data. Like it has a lot of it has different types of data inside that Texas website. So I've used pedestrian because I want pedestrians data, and I'll give the number of videos or images I want. Like I have written a code to extract both images and videos. So if I give you five videos and five images will be extracted. So I'll execute this code, and it will take some time to fetch the data and store it in the bucket. After it is being stored, let's just wait. It is taking some time. I don't know why. Actually, it doesn't usually take this much time, but maybe there's some issue with the network. So I don't know what's happening. I mean, it's usually taking, it's taking longer than usual. I think I need to restart.